Okay, ladies and gentlemen, damas y caballeros, as promised, como lo prometí back in the live stream, en el live stream que hice, Parque de San Antonio de Periera. Estamos aquí, we are here. So this is going to be a brief video tour so you can see the nightlife, para que vayan a ver la vida nocturna aquí. And look at all the candy, all the sweets, todas las cosas, rico merengón, all kinds of sweets here. And they're en mass, están en la misa ahí adentro ahorita. If you want to see the live stream, it was a long live stream, 2 hours and 30 minutes. The live stream duró 2 horas y media on Traveling Eddie, en el Traveling Eddie. Let me show you the church. Wow, it looks beautiful. Se ve bonita la capilla. It's not a church, it's a chapel. Una capilla. Looks beautiful. They're in mass, están en la misa. Beautiful, hermoso. Beautiful, hermoso. What's the name of this chapel? ¿Cómo se llama esto? I don't really know. I think it's the San Antonio Chapel, la Capilla San Antonio. A beautiful dog in church too. Wow, hermoso. This is beautiful. Okay, it's called San Antonio de Periera, Parroquia, the parish of San Antonio de Periera. So that's the name of the church, I think. Así se llama la parroquia y la capilla, San Antonio Periera. That's by the same name of this place. So look at all this beautiful stuff. Mire todas estas cosas hermosas. San Telmo Coffee Bar, Cafe Bar. Un café. Nice. Very beautiful. I have to catch the bus here later on to go to Rionegro to catch my bus back to Envigado, to Medellin. Tengo que tomar el bus aquí para irme a Rionegro para tomar el bus que va para Medellin para la terminal del norte, the North Bus Terminal. Palacio del Colesterol is right over there. Cholesterol Palace is right over there. Let's take a quick sweep. And we're passing by Pachos. Estamos pasando por Pachos. This is the Cholesterol Palace. I gotta get away from the bus. Tengo que alejar del bus para que no me pisen. El Palacio del Colesterol. And it's Cholesterol Palace because they sell all these fried foods here. Buche, longaniza, I don't know what. Crazy stuff. Todo eso. All of this. Todo esto es esto. Okay, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna cross the street as long as I don't get hit. Que no me atropellen. Vámonos. I want to do this quick sweep. Bendito Guayabo, holy hangover. That's what it means, blessed hangover. That's the name of this little bar right here. Bendito Guayabo, blessed hangover. It's a bar place, Pachos. Grilled, Pachos Grill, Pachos Grill, Asados Pacho. And they started letting traffic pass through here again. I don't know why, but it's happening. And the transit police are making them move. El tránsito los está haciendo moverse de Rionegro. And this is Melodías de Ayer. Nice. There's a moon, full moon, nice. Melodías de Ayer, nice place. Qué bueno lugar. People standing in line to get money at the ATM machine. La gente haciendo fila para sacar plata en el cajero. Look at the little chiva, la chiva pequeña. For children to go around, para que los niños pasen. El balcón. The balcony. This is a typical restaurant. And food prices, that's los precios de comida. I don't have my glasses on, but anywhere from about $5 to $15 for different things on the menu. $5 to $15 for different food options. And let me just cross here. Voy a pasar por aquí. De 10,000 pesos hasta 40,000 pesos o 45,000 pesos, los diferentes precios de comida ahí. And fondas over there, las fondas. This is San Antonio Periera in Rionegro. I'm Traveling Eddie and we're going places. Yo soy Eddie Viajero y estamos explorando. And we're exploring San Antonio de Periera. Estamos explorando San Antonio Periera. And fondas, los tejados, the shingles. And the bus is going to run over us with a little kid that's driving. El niño está manejando. Almost ran over us. Hey, what's up? Hello, what's up? ¿Cómo están? And fonda la chismosa, and everybody's there, and everybody's, hi, how are you? People are happy, saying hello. How are you? Hey, excellent. Very good. So we got these places here, and I mean, I look like a foreigner, and I am a foreigner. Yo me veo como extranjero. So, and I got this New York Yankees cap, and I got my attire shorts, my shorts on, so people think I'm a foreigner. And look, it's Spider-Man here, the Spider-Man dancer, el hombre araña que baila, Spider-Man. Spider-Man, wherever you go, Spider-Man. El Hombre Araña, Spider-Man. So you got a lot of these things here, a lot of stuff to buy, clothing, souvenirs. Tienen cositas para comprar, hojuelas, patacones, patacones con todo, vegetarianos, vegetarian patacones, everything. You got micheladas that are not with beer, no liquor. You got all this little park, everybody hanging out in the park, children, candy, obleas, trinkets, de todo, cositas, merengón. This is merengón. Este es el merengón, no. Este es merengón. Merengón es el otro. I'm going to show you merengón. Este es el merengón. This is merengón. Este es el famoso merengón. Qué bien. Gracias, señor. Thank you. Hojuelas, big hojuelas. Las hojuelas grandes. Now I'm going to show you the party district, a little party district over there if you want to hang out and listen to electro music, vallenatos, whatever. Vallenatos and whatever the local stuff right here. Local music right here. Las fonditas, all these fonditas, las fondas aquí con la música local. And if you go here, salsa, merengue, aquí está la salsa, merengue. People are hanging out, drinking aguardiente, la gente está tomando aguardiente, beer, drinking beer, tomando cerveza, chilling, la gente está pasando la buena. If you're liking this video, give it a like. Dele like a este video, help it get out to more people. Que llegue más gente. Postres, San Antonio. And look, the bars, nightclubs. It's a party scene. Anacaona. It's all this at night. Todo esto es el rumbeadero, el parche. And this is a Saturday night. Esto es un sábado en la noche. Saturday night. Sábado en la noche. And you got more to do, but I just wanted to show you something short. Hay más para hacer aquí, pero les quería mostrar un poquito apenas. And you got more stuff over there. Tienen más cosas para hacer allá. Hotel El Velero. Velero, the sailboat hotel. So you got all of these things, guys. That's it for now. I'll let you go. Eso es todo por ahora. Stay tuned for more. Eddie Viajero, Traveling Eddie. Bye bye. Ciao. Hasta luego. Hasta la vista. Shukam nae. Alvida.